I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Let's get into this wig install, and I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know right now I am a beginner. I am not a pro, okay? I am not a pro at this. I repeat, I am not a pro. So I got this wig from UNice Hair. I'm not really sure of the name. I will try to link it below, but they actually changed the wig. So they sent me an email and was like, oh, well, the wig that you wanted is out of stock. Can we send you this one? So they just sent me this one right here. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this wig with my own coins. Do you hear me? Okay, so let's just get to it. As y'all can see, I'm going across my forehead with these alcohol wipes. And of course, I'm going to show you what this wig got to offer. Then I'm going to go in with some water and a little bit of gel to slick this hair back because, yeah, it's looking a whole mess.
I promise I'm not about to let up for nothing. I know I be nagging sometimes. Shit, put dick in my mouth, make me shut up or something. I promise to keep it tight. Every time gon' feel like a bird. You keeping me happy, you getting me deep.
Next up is getting this wig cap on, and honey, I be having a hard time with these nails sometimes, but I got it on. And as y'all can see, it was time to put that wig on, and that wig cap did not want to stay put. And you know what? I just kept going on with the process because, yeah, I don't have time for that mess. Then I was trying to use the little sticky tabs to hold the wig down. Yeah, that wasn't happening because them tabs was weak. Honey, these wig influencers be making it look so easy. And I'm here to tell you it is not. And what glueless? Because why do I got to do all this to my lace to make it blend with my skin? I mean, come on now. Well, I'm just going to continue to let y'all watch me put this wig on. Again, I am a newbie to this. I do not know everything. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. So if you see something that I'm doing and you like, oh, no, that's wrong, it probably is wrong, okay? Okay.
So connected, put on with the pussy. Ain't have to make no spaghetti. Fell in love so fast. My friends say I'm forgetting. Pray don't play with my feelings. This shit gon' get the mess.
You ain't gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. I love her.
With my twin and and we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch. I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches neck so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then get some slip. You know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog hoe, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hold? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass teeth, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. Oh yeah, bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo. I fight for my bitches and I'm fighting over dick too.
Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic.
And just like that, I am done. Finito, I am finished. I love everything about this wig. I get so many compliments. It did have some shedding, but it didn't have any smell to it, so I was good on that part. Oh, and it's very easy to maintain. I don't know about you, but I don't want no wig that I got to be doing a whole bunch to, okay?
Pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the air, I'm everywhere. How you say it so me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me.
Well, I will holler at y'all later. Bye!
Me, she got my hammer down. Thought he wasn't gonna have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it. Now it says can't stand me now.